Okay, now gentle. Gentle. Sophia.
She's not sure.
No, she's not sure. I don't think she wants that. Look at it, she's not even moving her legs. Look, I don't think that's what she wants. Listen, be nice to her. Okay, look, she's coming to me for help. She's all freaked out. Now you're
Let's
gonna.
go walk. Let's go walk. Let's go see. Start going. Let's go see. What did she do?
Oh, she's scratched me. She's trying to. Now don't just pull her. Okay, you have to actually call her and have her
I'm
fall.
trying to get her to not scratch you.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. It's a scratch for help, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to help you.
Thanks. You have to call her. No, now don't jerk her hard. Honey, I don't think she wants to go with you. Honey, I don't think she wants to go with you. Look at that little pitiful look at her face. Watch out! Don't get hurt. Yep. See, she's. Hey, now don't pull her hard. It's leaving little claw marks. Look, she's begging me for help. Honey, why don't you take her off that leash now, honey? Because I don't think she wants to go. Honey, she doesn't want to go. Wait, don't run her into this. Honey, I don't see how she wants to go. She doesn't want to go. Look, yay, harnesses. She really doesn't want to go, Sophia. Listen, if you... Yeah, she doesn't... Look, she's still looking at me. Oh, boy. Okay, let's,